Did you know the ancient Romans cleaned their clothes with human urine? And yes, they even taxed it. In ancient Rome, before soap existed, citizens relied on something far stranger: urine. Public urinals were placed all around the city, and people collected urine in clay pots. Why? Because urine contains ammonia, a powerful natural cleaning agent. Workers called fullones, the professional Roman launderers, would take dirty clothes to the fullonicae, public laundry houses. There, they soaked garments in urine, stomped on them barefoot to wash out dirt, then rinsed and dried them in the sun. Even the Emperor Vespasian, who ruled from 69 to 79 CE, saw profit in the process. He imposed a tax on the collection of urine, the vectigal urinae. When his son Titus mocked the idea, Vespasian famously held up a coin and said, "Pecunia non olet." Money does not stink. So the next time you do laundry with fancy detergent, remember, ancient Rome's cleanest clothes once came straight from the city's public toilets. And Emperor Vespasian? He literally made money from the smell of pee.